This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. This home is ready for a fast close and situated on a deep lot. Unwind in the sunroom overlooking a wooded tree line and small creek. The backyard is big, private, fenced in. Inside, the open floor plan is great for comfortable living and easy entertaining. On the second floor, discover a roomy primary bedroom with ensuite bath, and 2 additional large guest rooms and guest bath. Newer flooring and upgraded lighting. The sheds in the back are great for storage, and there is even a pool plug-in ready for you to install a pool. Just move on in and start your new life the right way. Easy commute to nearby military bases, interstate connections, parks and eateries. No flood insurance required per flood zone map. For more information, review the details below.